Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2017 Hyundai Accent. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood. Right back here is our low pressure port. So we're going to take this cover off here. Set this somewhere safe for a minute. Then we're going to take our recharge hose with R134A refrigerant. We're going to take this end right here and snap it onto that port. So you just push it on until you hear it click, like that. Please be aware the exhaust manifold is right back here, so just be careful you don't burn yourself. We're going to set this right here. Make sure that it doesn't fall down in there where there's belt spinning. I will have recharge hose and refrigerant and things linked down in the description below where you can get those on Amazon if you want to. Now we are going to start the vehicle. We are going to turn our AC on here. We're going to turn it all the way to max AC. Then we're going to turn the blower speed all the way up to 4. Now this actually looks pretty good. We're going to add a little bit to try to get it up close to that 40 PSI mark. But if your AC is low, generally what happens is the needle starts bobbing back and forth. So it'll come up here and get really high, and then you'll hear a click and the needle will start moving back down to the white area here. And when it gets down here so far, you'll hear another click and the needle will pop back up, and it'll just keep bobbing back and forth like that. That's how you know your AC is working, but your refrigerant is low. If it's really low, then you might need to add some before it starts turning on and off like that and the needle starts bobbing back and forth. But to add refrigerant, we're just going to squeeze and hold the trigger here. You're going to see the needle drop all the way down. We're just going to oscillate our can between the 3 o'clock position and the 12 o'clock position. We'll just keep holding our trigger and oscillating our can. Going to allow the AC compressor to draw that refrigerant in as it needs it. Let me see, we've gone up a little bit. I'm going to fill it up a little bit farther till we get up to close to that 40 PSI mark on there. All right, there we go. We're going to call that full. To get this off, lift up on this clip while pushing down on the top, and it just pops right off. Then you can replace your cap, and that is all there is to it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.